Aloha guys, welcome to another episode of Big John's Hawaiian Adventures. And today we're gonna do something that's totally different from what I normally do. You know, the last few episodes I've been taking you guys on a lot of the recreational parks and beaches here on the island of Oahu. Well, we're gonna do something that's totally different from what I normally do today. And I'm gonna show you guys some of the famous street artwork here in Kaka'ako, which is another district of Honolulu. And it's not that far from Waikiki. And every year, usually during the third week of February, they have this street artwork competition here called Powwow Hawaii, and you get these famous street artists from all over the world. They get together here in Kaka'ako and they display their artwork here on the walls of these buildings here in Kaka'ako. So I'm going to show you guys some of the ones from the past powwow competitions. So come with me on another episode of Big John's Hawaiian Adventures. Let's go. guys, so while we were in Kaka'ako, I thought I'd stop here by H Mart and show you guys Giovanni's brand new location. That's right, the famous Giovanni's North Shore Shrimp is now open right here in Kaka'ako inside H Mart, which is not that far from Waikiki. You know, a lot of people, they go to North Shore just so they can have Giovanni's shrimp. From Waikiki, that's about an hour drive, maybe even more depending on the traffic. But now we got one open right here in Kaka'ako, which is not that far from Waikiki. From Waikiki, Kalakaua Avenue, the main strip, only about a 10-15 minute drive. So check it out.
Giovanni's, your order number 9 is ready.
Thank you. And here we are, the famous Giovanni's North Shore garlic shrimp right here in Kaka'ako. Now, I get the, normally I get the butter garlic scampi, which is their main dish, their classic dish. And they have other ones available. They have lemon and butter, and they also have spicy, but just remember the spicy one is extremely spicy. Now I get this all the time. John, I'm the king of spicy. I can eat spicy for a living. And normally by the second bite they got tears coming down their faces, so just be aware of that. In fact, there's a sign right next to the spicy shrimp that says no refunds, so just be aware of that before you order the spicy shrimp. So what you got to do is you can't be afraid to get your fingers messy, okay? You got to suck all the garlic off the shell, then peel the shell, then eat it. So, you know, I usually put a little shoyu on mine, and you know, some people find it salty already. If you find it salty, you probably don't want to do that, but I like to put a little bit of lemon and shoyu on mine. And yeah, you know, they keep that shell on to preserve the moisture and the flavor, so they're not being lazy, they're keeping that shell on for a reason. So it's time to dig in. Oh man, that shrimp really hit the spot. So there it is, guys. Here's a little insight on Kaka'ako, which is just next to Waikiki. It's a beautiful little area, lots of boutique shops, lots of great restaurants. You know, you can also come here at night. You got the Waikiki Brewing Company just down the street, and this place is located right next to Ala Moana Mall, not too far from, and not that far from Waikiki. Like I said, only about a 10-minute drive, so check it out when you get a chance. And I hope I see you guys on another episode of Big John's Hawaiian Adventures. Catch you later. Aloha.